This week I had a video chat, a Skype chat with Matt Olson from ROLU.
Hey Matt, I was thinking to record this, is it okay with you?
Yes.
Then I could use it as footage. Great. Shall we video call?
Sure.
Okay.
July 23rd, 2012, 8:20:45 p.m. Call to Matt Olson.
And the idea was that this would become a video lecture or video discussion. And so I was recording this to use as footage, and
I can hear you well.
we would be talking about one of their residency issues, which was attention as place. Funnily enough, the video came with no sound in the end. Something in the recording process went wrong with the software I was using. So then, and this was a kind of, the only thing that was left, that was the moments that we couldn't hear each other, and we had to type.
5 p.m. Call to Matt Olson.
I can hear you well. Attention as place is an exploration of our ongoing interest in our lives on the internet. The image works fine from here. I sat on your furniture.
Hello, and met you. So then we met in real life.
Attention as design practice?
It could be.
It's funny enough that those are the only moments that became a kind of sort of archive of this talk. But I'm looking at this silent video, and we're like all sort of smiling, and it seems kind of a pleasant thing. Of course, we knew I knew their blog and their design work, and likewise I think, and so it was quite nice to sort of meet each other on screen for the first time. So we exchanged niceties and stuff, and started getting
I can
warmed
hear
up
you well.
for this chat, and then
The thing we like online and seem to be putting on our blogs is mostly old stuff, and here we are trying to define this new place out of them. Online one has a sense of discovery, so when you discover things they're new to you.
So maybe this has to do with flattening of time that we experience on the internet.
I was reading Zygmunt Bauman. He describes postmodernism as the avoidance of the new, the avoidance of being defined. Maybe the internet is the ultimate postmodern landscape?
I don't know. I mean, I almost want to start imagining what we're saying. I know that we spoke about we spoke about.
He describes the modern as the new, the correct, the better. That he talks about the postmodern as the looking for something different.
Especially correct.
Mistakes are more interesting than correctness. Mistakes are also a great educational tool, and they are more fun, more thrilling.
Whether attention could be a design practice. So whether this notion of paying attention to things is actually a design practice, or how does it affect us. In the end, having lost all the voice chat, somehow I start to think that memory also is important in this case. And could memory be a place as well as attention? Is memory a function? Have we lost track of remembering things because we're always recording, and so we're used to documenting. We're used to our every click being documented online, and so
Desire versus necessity. A mistake is more thrilling than a solution. It is unknown. A mistake is good because it's ours. Online freedom. Old media is modern civilization. Blogs are postmodern, and blogs can be wrong too. I lost interest in Pinterest. Facebook is the new Google.
I'm mistake prone.
so present that it becomes the background to all activities. Life is not worth living outside of Facebook. Google+.
We forget to remember, perhaps. That could be a thing to talk about. I don't know. Of course, now we're not talking. I'm just trying to sort of, I'm putting down my memoirs of this chat, which happened 2 days ago, and I have almost forgotten everything. I know that we spoke about our blogs, and that what's interesting is that even though we tend to be
Early adopter.
both sort of very much into this, let's say, quote-unquote new world. It's not new anymore, but
I feel like I'm carving marble. It's written in stone. A post is kind of forever. Tumblr is very much about a fitness. In Tumblr you understand which images survive on the internet. July 23rd, 2012, 8:52:15 p.m.
online media and whatever's, however things are changing on the internet, we seem to be following stuff. Yet on our blogs we put a lot of images of old stuff. So we talked a bit about what that could be. Well, Matt said that online we have a sense of discovery, and there is this kind of flattening of time, that time becomes flat. You don't consider something old to be old anymore. You just consider it something that you found online.
AA, it's like a natural evolution. Only the strong survive. I think we have a great chat. My recording thing is running out of disk space.
I counted that I had been reading this passage by Zygmunt Bauman, where he describes postmodernism as the avoidance of the new. So this of directions and movements. So this avoidance is postmodern. And maybe we said maybe the internet is the kind of ultimate postmodern landscape. The modern would be the new, the correct, the better. So the modern would be providing the solution.
Yes, I will try to elaborate on this.
Decor all set price.
Okay, we'll check. Funny, I am writing a review of DOCUMENTA, and was planning to mention Seth Price a lot. Or not. Full circle.
Perfect.
Was great to chat, and to meet you.
Me too, thanks.
I'll do this first part and we take it from there.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I hope this records.
Talk to you soon.
July 23rd, 2012, 8:56:45 p.m. Call ended. Duration 3600.